A national retailer with over 1,500 locations faced a major challenge. Outdated analog POTS lines were driving up costs and making network management a headache. Each store needed reliable voice, fax, fire, and security alarm connections, but juggling multiple carriers and bills was overwhelming for IT and finance teams. Service disruptions were hard to spot, and fixing issues took too long. That's when we stepped in with a wireless POTS replacement featuring end-to-edge encryption and cellular backup for always-on reliability. With 24/7 network monitoring and proactive ticketing, problems are caught before they impact business. The result? A consistent alarm solution across every store, simplified vendor management, and $500,000 in annual savings. Our end-to-end project management ensured a smooth rollout with minimal disruption. Now, this retailer enjoys secure, reliable communications and peace of mind, all while cutting costs. Provision is an industry leader in wireless engineering, network optimization, and automation.